Are you confused on what oil to use for your hair growth journey? I have used these oils consistently and the results speak up for themselves. I have seen reduced hair fall, faster hair growth and stronger roots. So let's break down why they work and how to use them in the right way. So let's get started. Let's start with my current favorite oil, which is rosemary hair oil. We need two ingredients to make this rosemary hair oil. Coconut oil. You can take any brand coconut oil. I have used parachute coconut oil, which is 50 ml. Coconut oil provides deep moisture and strengthens your hair. We need some rosemary leaves. These are dried rosemary leaves available on Amazon. Rosemary is fantastic for stimulating hair follicles and improving scalp's health. It is cheap yet effective. Take a pan, add 50 ml of coconut oil. Add 3 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Keep the flame in medium. Stir it well to ensure the leaves are fully submerged in the oil. Within 3 minutes, the oil turns golden yellow in color. This is the time to turn off the stove. Strain the liquid. Transfer it to a glass container for storage purposes. Now the rosemary oil for hair growth is ready. For application, section your hair. Dip a cotton ball into the oil and gently press it to release the oil. Cover your entire scalp with the rosemary oil. Pour the remaining oil onto your palms. Rub it between your palms and spread it on the hair length. Make sure to cover from root to tip. Put a bun and leave it for at least an hour before washing. You can also leave it overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Studies even compared rosemary oil to minoxidil, but without any side effects. Next one we have is an Ayurvedic classic, bhringraj hair oil. For the ingredients, you will need bhringraj leaves, 3 to 4 gooseberries finely chopped, handful of curry leaves and some fenugreek seeds. Take a mixer, put in the bhringraj, amla and curry leaves. Bhringraj oil helps foster hair follicles. It is a natural therapy for preventing hair loss. This herb contains important nutrients that fulfill the deficiency of minerals that leads to uncontrollable hair loss, hence promoting hair growth. Bhringraj oil helps in maintaining the natural color of your hair. It can help in treating baldness if used regularly. Bhringraj contains haritaki, which helps in lending your hair color black and stop premature graying of hair. Regular usage of bhringraj oil in your hair helps in discoloration of hair. It is known to improve the hair quality and also get rid of split ends. Bhringraj works as an anti-inflammatory agent on the scalp that works to remove smelly or itchy scalp. Moreover, it is also antifungal in nature, something that would work perfectly when dealing with dandruff. Curry leaves are a rich source of beta-carotene and proteins, which can reduce hair loss and increase hair growth. They also contain amino acids and antioxidants, which strengthens the hair follicles and moisture the scalp. Curry leaves also helps to remove dead hair follicles, which can be the reason behind dandruff. It is also rich in antioxidants that moisturize the scalp. Amla strengthens the scalp and hair. It reduces premature pigment loss from hair and reduces premature graying. It stimulates hair growth and reduces hair loss. It prevents and treats dandruff and dry scalp. It also keeps lice at bay. Grind it to a coarse paste. This is what you get. Now take a pan, add in the coconut oil. I am using Patanjali 200 ml coconut oil. Switch on the stove. Always keep the flame in medium throughout the process. Add the mixture to the oil. Stir it well. Let the oil cook for 10 minutes. After that, add few fenugreek seeds. Stir well and switch off the stove. Close it and leave it overnight. The next morning, filter the oil using a cloth. Now your homemade herbal natural hair oil is ready to use. Apply this oil onto your scalp and hair. Let the oil sit on for 1 hour. After that, wash your hair with shampoo or shikakai. Bhringraj is called the king of herbs for a reason. It helps with hair thinning, premature graying and dandruff too. Next we have the queen of hair oils, castor oil. If you are noticing hair thinning, bald patches or weak hair roots, this is the one oil you need in your routine. What makes the castor oil so special is that it increases blood circulation to your scalp, deeply nourishes hair follicles and promotes regrowth. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with coconut oil. This reduces the thickness of the castor oil and suitable for application on scalp and hair. Massage it gently into your scalp using fingertips or a silicone scalp massager. Leave it overnight or at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before shampooing. Shampoo thoroughly. You might need 2 washes to remove the oil. No matter which oil you choose for your hair growth journey, remember, consistency is the key. Using it continuously, you will see visible results. Oil your scalp 1 to 2 times a week. Follow it up with a gentle scalp massage and let the hair oil sit on your scalp for at least 30 minutes before washing it off. So those were my top picks for hair growth oils. You can choose whichever suits your need and your routine. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family who are into hair growth journey, so that it will be helpful for them too. I have linked some of my favorite oils in the video. Do check it out. Until then, next time, take care.